Hey everyone, we're here at the Las Vegas Convention Center for KBIS 2025 here at ZLINE Kitchen and Baths booth. I'm here to introduce you to our all-new Touchstone under-counter refrigeration line. I'll start here with our brand new refrigerator drawers. This is going to be a high-quality built unit with a full stainless interior, bright white LED lighting, and to finish it off, a really nice soft close door. All right, so looking at this product, this is going to be our Touchstone wine cooler, panel-ready version with one of our champagne bronze accents here. This is going to be a high-quality built unit with a full metal interior, fully outdoor approved. It's going to have a high-quality ball-bearing rack, really soft and smooth. Ability to do wine in the top zone and the bottom zone, controlling with different temperatures. Introducing you to our Touchstone Beverage Center. Very high capacity unit, allowing you to do a small rack up here for some glass bottles, as well as like anything you want to lay out. And then full capacity to do with a full metal and glass rack here. Full ball bearing rack, tons of capacity with that full stainless interior. Ability to do this and outdoor approved as well. Now introducing you to our brand new ice makers of the Touchstone collection. This is ability to do two different types of ice. Are going to be built the same way with the stainless steel outside in the plastic interior. These are going to be really high quality built units, also outdoor approved, allowing you to have a nice metal scooper and two different types of ice, which would be either our gourmet or our clear cube ice.